stopping you from doing yoga? Do you also think that yoga is time consuming or you aren't flexible? If you agree with the words at some level, here we are busting some myth or misconception bubbles that are keeping you away from stepping into this journey called yoga. Here we go. First, yoga is hard. If this is what you are thinking, then unroll your mat and step onto it. Start with some easy moves or easy asanas that mentally prepares you to start performing yoga. Second, yoga can be taught by anybody. Yoga lacks a rigid process of learning. So technically anyone can teach you yoga. But it's not a good idea to take a class from just anyone. In any setting, it is advised to look for teachers with at least a 200-hour yoga certification. Third, props are discouraged in yoga. This is definitely a myth, but what are props? In yoga, this term refers to blocks, blankets, bolsters, straps, and even chairs and walls, all of which can be used to support your body to attain an asana. Props are encouraged and should be embraced as an amazing tool in yoga. Fourth, you really need to be flexible. Absolutely false, as it is not gymnastics. Being flexible does not make you good at yoga. The less flexible you are when you start, the more room of improvement you have. It's the tightest people in the room that can benefit the most from yoga. Fifth, yoga is spiritual. It's not at all difficult to find yoga classes that are completely focused on physical practice and do not mention a thing about spirituality. Today's yoga won't force any belief system on you, but the door is open for you to bring in your own spirituality. Sixth, yoga will take up too much of your time. Yoga gurus say that it gives you back what you put in. If you only have an hour once a week or 15 minutes a day, you will still benefit from yoga as long as you do it consistently. Seventh, yoga is just complex stretching. Yoga is more than complex stretching, though the physical postures will challenge your body in new ways. Yoga's focus on alignment improves your body awareness, allowing you to translate verbal and visual instructions into physical actions. We hope you feel more empowered to grab your yoga mat and start practicing yoga.